Today I am going to be showing you how to tie a simple and quick bow for a wreath or door swag or any craft project. Okay, both of these were purchased at Dollar Tree, so you'll need some ribbon, preferably if you're using this type of ribbon with wire. And this is the 6-inch DECO mesh ribbon from Dollar Tree. Some pipe cleaners, or you can get the 20 gauge stem wire, and some scissors. Okay, these are both new rolls. So what you're going to do, since I want to use two colors for this bow, is I am going to leave just a little bit of a tail, maybe 12 inches or so, and I'm placing it in my left hand, and I'm going to do the same thing with my striped ribbon. So I'm letting out a tail for both of them, and try to get the tails about the same length. Okay, so it looks like this right now. So I'm going to put my left hand here, and I am going to take and I am going to make a loop just like this using both. And as you can see, they're both unrolling at the same time. So you just continue back and forth. Hold tight in your left. Do not let go. Back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth until you get it the size you want. Or in this case, the Dollar Tree ribbon doesn't go very far, so I better back up and stop right there. Okay, so I need to let out about the same length tail. Do not let go with your left hand. That's the key thing. Do not let go with your left hand. So I need to trim this ribbon. Okay, and you need to have your wire ready or your pipe cleaner. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have it tightly pinched. So I'm going to wrap my pipe cleaner or wire around the center of my bow. I'll lay it down, and I'm going to go to the back, just like this, and I am going to give it a few twists. Okay, so you have it just like this, and that way you can use your pipe cleaners or wire to attach it to your project. Okay, so right now it just looks like this. So what we need to do is we need to fluff our loops and make it full. So I'm going to just start by spreading out the DECO mesh and the ribbon. And it takes a little while to fluff it, but you want to spread out your loops because when you're making the bow, they kind of get stuck together. And if your ribbon's on the wrong side, go ahead and flip it to where the pretty side shows too. Try to make your loops about the same size when you're holding it in your hand and going back and forth. Okay. It takes just a little while, like I said, to fluff your ribbon and get it however you want it. Okay, so right now, this is what it looks like. So I need to go ahead and trim this tail because the DECO mesh ribbon tail curls right up. So we're going to try to trim it. So let's see, I'm not going to make it very long. We're just going to make a little slanted line. My scissors are not real sharp. You need sharp scissors for this. Works a lot better. And I'm going to kind of just do a little bit of curl to it. And then since I laid it down, I need to fluff it back again. Like I said, this mesh, you can just pull and tug to make it look however you want. So, like I said, you can just keep working with it to get the shape you want for your project. But like I said, this is basically a $2 bow, simple and quick. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you don't mind, share this video. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I just want to jump back on here and tell you that after I looked at my video and looked at my bow, I just wasn't happy with the way the tails looked. So I went ahead and I cut my tails off, and the DECO mesh just kind of curled up on its own, and then I just kind of gave the black and purple striped ribbon a little curl on the ends, kind of rolled it under just a little bit, and I think it looks much prettier without the tails. So it's up to you to leave tails down or not. Mine just didn't seem to look right this time. So anyways, I'm going to spin it around so you can kind of see a little better how it looks. And like I said, if you totally don't like the way it looks when you get it finished, just take it apart and start all over again. So it's really simple and easy to do, and I have other videos just using like the DECO mesh ribbon, like to do a big huge bow like for your Christmas tree, the Christmas tree topper bow. So I have more videos, and just let me know what you think and what kind of video you want me to do next. Thanks for watching.